In this video, I will show you how to connect Canva to ChatGPT. Now, to do this, what you want to do is actually come across to ChatGPT and log into your account. Once you've done that, if you come over to the left-hand side, you're going to want to look for the option which says plugins, or it might say apps, whichever one it is, you want to give that a click. And that's going to take you to a screen that's going to look similar to this. Now, from here, if you come up to the search box at the top, in here, you want to type Canva, and you should see Canva come up. Give it a click. That's going to take you to another screen, which is going to look like this. And from here, you're going to see an install button. So click onto install, and it's going to ask if you want to add Canva to ChatGPT. At this point, you need to sign in with your Canva account. So click the button down here. That's going to take you to the permission page where you want to make sure you're logged into the correct Canva account. Then what you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom and click onto allow. Now, by doing that, you're going to get a authorization successful message. And what it's going to do is redirect you back to ChatGPT. So you can see Canva is now installed. And you can see if we come back screen onto our plugins, you can see our install plugins or apps, and you can see Canva has now been installed. So now if we come to new chat and click onto the Ask ChatGPT box, what we can do is click onto the plus button and you're going to see Canva come up. Give it a click. You can now use this as a source. And that is how to connect Canva with ChatGPT. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Canva and ChatGPT tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.